welcome back to my channel. I always want to give a big welcome to all of the new viewers out there. If this is your first time in my channel, I want to invite you to subscribe over here because every single week we do tons of great DIY projects. I also became a new mama, so I'm going to be adding a lot of mama DIYs and mama videos. In this week's video, I went to the dollar store and got a few items for some Valentine's Day decor. So I wanted to show all of you what I came up with. They're super easy and of course they're so cheap because they're from the dollar store. So I'm hoping there's some DIYs here to inspire you to make your own crafts at home. And let's get right to it. I've shown you all before this technique that I did before in this channel, and it's pretty much making a cone-shaped tree out of this cardstock paper that we can just buy from the Dollar Tree. These make great and easy decor pieces that you can display in your living room or wherever it may be. I wanted to buy these conversation hearts, but apparently the company who was making them got bankrupt, so they're not available anymore, and I got this from my local dollar store. And I literally just wanted to do it with a glue gun. If you wanted to do this as a piece to like eat from, you're probably gonna want to glue them together with icing or something like that. But another way that you can make a beautiful decor tree or Valentine's tree is by cutting out some small felt hearts. And I did this ombre one, and I literally just took red, pink, and white hearts, and you're just overlapping them to make a beautiful tree like this. Next up, we're revamping these box signs from the dollar store again, and I'm just going to be taking off this flower top that's on there. I'm taking some acrylic paint that you can also buy from the Dollar Tree. I'm painting the whole thing white. Now it's up to you, whatever color you want. And we're gonna make these Scrabble inspired sign that you can literally display anywhere you want. I'm going to display the word love, L-O-V-E, so I'm gonna need 4 of these. And this is super easy. You can literally print a big letter L or whatever type of font you want on the internet. I did this just freehand with just something straight, like this piece of cardboard here, and then I just painted it again with acrylic paint. Trace it on here and then paint it. But these are super easy and you can even display them not just for Valentine's Day but all year round. Our next DIY is going to be a little bit more personalized with these wooden hearts. Now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this photo that I literally printed from home onto this wooden heart. Make sure that when you do print it that you flip the picture so that when we glue that on and transfer it on, that it's actually the right way. So yeah, we're basically just cutting this to the size of the heart, or you can do it smaller if you wanted to. I had some of these matte medium left over from a really old project, but you can also go to Michael's and just use a little bit of Mod Podge, and then you can spread that on top of the wooden heart. And I like to put a little bit more Mod on top just to kind of seal it. You let it dry for about 24 hours, but sometimes it's less. Just make sure that it's super dry. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a wet cloth and you're just going to press a little bit of water on there with that cloth. And then we're going to start removing all of the paper fibers that are on top of the photo. And you're just going to see your picture unfold, and it's literally transferred on the wood, so it's so beautiful. And so I'm just going to be taking again some ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue a couple of the hearts on there and hang it up, and it makes for such a cute little decor piece. Next up, some of the things you find at the dollar store, you literally just kind of have to change the color for it to look different and unique. So what I'm going to do with this sign is paint it rose gold, as well as this love sign that's gold right now. You kind of can't see it, but it's gold, and I want to change it to rose gold so it kind of matches baby's room. The spray paint is from Michael. It was snowing, so I didn't go outside to film it, but it turned out so well. And then I just put one of those hearts that we just made previously. The spray paint just totally gave these two things a different look, and I love it. Next up, we're going to recreate the wooden bead garland look with these beautiful pearls that I got from the Dollar Tree again. Basically, we are just going to be tying a knot with a string, and we're going to put all of these pearls or beads through. I found these tassels again at the dollar store, and I'm just tying that at the very end. And on the other end, I took one of these wooden hearts, which was on one of the wood signs that we used for the Scrabble display that we did earlier on. I wanted to match it with a tassel, so I mixed some paint up to come up with this beautiful lavender color. When it's dry, glue it at the end of the bead, and then you're all done.
Someone's gotta change.
There you go, a bunch of cheap and very easy DIY projects for all of you this coming Valentine's Day. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure that you comment down below. I always love hearing from all of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!